I've been with Fourth Elm a year last month, and I've been doing this for 50 plus years. My role here is a superintendent, so I drive the schedule. It's an industrial expansion. They make foam for the furniture industry. The cushions you sit on and everything, and the leftovers are ground up, and they make padding out of that at their other plants. So they're expanding their capacity for the polymer that makes the foam. And the time frame we started last December, I'm hoping to be substantially complete by the end of this year. Well, we're grading for the parking lot. You can see we're getting ready next week to stone and pave this, pour the concrete sidewalk next week. They're grading the front. They're working on the fire suppression overhead inside right now. So all those things basically will roll into next week also. Well, my hobby is flying. I'm a pilot, and Sky King was an old TV show. It was actually from the 50s, and I watched reruns in the 60s, and that was my favorite show. And the whole focus was on the airplane. So that's my handle. You know, I adopted Sky King since I'm a pilot, and I like it.